Firefighting is one of the most respected and cherished occupations in our country, and we owe it to both firefighters and their families to give them the level of care they deserve. In the United States, cancer is the #1 killer of firefighters, accounting for nearly 70% of all line-of-duty deaths. The devastation that comes with cancer treatments and fatalities go well beyond the cost to departments and jurisdictions. It's a loss for the whole community. Fortunately, there is a solution. Emergency Technical Decon has established North America's first liquid CO2 cleaning facility, verified to the NFPA 1851-2020 standard. Our patented liquid CO2 cleaning process significantly increases the life of all PPE, maintaining its original qualities while eliminating over 99% of carcinogens in one cycle. We believe our process will decrease the occupational cancer rate among firefighters and benefit communities across the nation. Learn more about Emergency Technical Decon online.